Okay, welcome back to CAD That Works, where we turn ideas into real parts. Today I'm showing you 5 super easy CAD projects you can model and 3D print even if you're just starting out. So I'm going to show you the design, the 3D print, and if you want to model them yourself, check the full tutorials linked after each video. Let's jump in. First up is a simple phone stand. All you need is a rectangle base, an angled back support, and a small lip in the form of a cutout to catch the phone. So just some quick extrudes and some cuts and you are ready to print. Okay, so the second project is a simple custom keychain. All you need is a rectangle followed by a half circle there on the end. Put a small hole for the actual keychain to go through, and then you sketch and emboss some font. Put whatever name you want on there, and there you go. Custom keychain ready to print as well. Next up is a simple wall hook. You sketch an L shape with a small lip on the end, extrude it, add a couple holes for screws, and just make sure you test your first hook to see how much weight it can actually hold. Okay, for the fourth project, cable clips. Sketch another rectangle, extrude it, cut out a little circle there on the bottom, add another hole in the top for a fastener, and round the edges. These are lifesavers for messy desks, and you can size them for different size cables and fasteners. Finally, a customizable desk organizer tray. Sketch a rectangle, extrude it, and shell it to make a container. You can even easily add internal dividers for pins, paper clips, batteries, whatever you need. So there you go, 5 beginner-friendly CAD projects you can design and 3D print today. If you want to follow along step by step and build these yourself, check out the full tutorial links in the description. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which project you want to model first.